everyone, how's everyone doing? Happy morning, afternoon, evening, whenever you're watching this. It's morning here and it is raining outside. It's just gloomy. I've opened all the blinds up, hoping to get a little more something, some extra light in here. And I think it's gonna rain all day. But anyways, it's a good day to do an unboxing. Surprise, surprise. Actually, I don't have an unboxing. It kind of is, kind of isn't. There's a company that reached out to me, Lilysilk, and they offered to send me some products to try on and do a review. So I'm gonna give you my honest review. They sent me 2 items. I have not opened them yet. I know what they are because they sent me a description and a photo of what they are. So I did a little research on them. Let me open the box. They come wrapped like this. This is really pretty, each one individually. I'm assuming that's how they all come. So let's see what this one is. Sealed. And I'll give you more information on the company. Oh, that's a nice presentation. Let's see, fancy. They sent me a button-down shirt. I did request white, surprise, surprise. Look how pretty. Oh, wow. That's really nice. Oh, it's so soft. Okay, so that's the first item. It's long sleeve. I will try that on for you. Here's the second item. This one I'm really excited about. It has silk. And I mean silk. Of course it has silk. It's fun. It's Lilysilk. It has lace, and I love lace. So let's see. Oh, here's some information. Here's the packing slip. This one I requested in black. This one comes in black or a jade green. Green jade, I think they call it. Look how pretty that is. Ooh, that feels nice. Okay, so Lilysilk, very pretty packaging. Let me just look at my notes here. Lilysilk, luxury silk brand, founded in 2011. Finest grade 6A mulberry silk. They're in the pursuit of affordable luxury lifestyle. I'll tell you what, I love luxury, but it has to be affordable. And their prices seem pretty reasonable. I was all over their website after they reached out to me just to see what they're all about, to see what the reviews are. They have very good reviews. They offer dresses, shirts, kids, sleepwear, bedding, pillowcases, accessories, outerwear, free shipping over $40, which is really nice. And if I have a discount code, you get 12% off your purchase, which is nice. And I noticed on their website, they have some sales. They have I think both the shirts that I have, I think that if you buy one, you get another one, you get a certain percentage off. I can't remember what that was. And by the time you see this, that could all change. So I didn't want, I don't want to say exactly what it is because it could change. So I'm excited. Let's do a try on and I will give you a little more information about each item. I'll see you soon. Oh my, wow. I wish you guys could feel this blouse. This blouse feels amazing. It is so silky, soft. It feels like luxury. It really does. The shirt is only $89.99. Comes in 8 different colors. It's called the Basic Concealed Silk Blouse. Has the curved hem. And you can see here the buttons are concealed. And they are mother of pearl buttons. This blouse really feels great. I love it. You could dress it up, you could dress it down. I do have a cami on underneath it. It's got the collar. It buttons all the way up. So if you wanted to wear a scarf with it, a longer necklace. But this is more of to me, would be a business casual look. The dress pants, the heels, just leave the shirt out and put a jacket on. And another look. Oops, you got a phone call. Got to go to a business meeting. Tuck it in. Put some accessories on, throw a jacket on, and you've got another look. You guys know this look. This is that look that you change into when you get home from work, you're in your work clothes, and you get that phone call. You know the phone call from your girlfriend that says, hey Barbara, what are you doing? And you're just thinking in your mind, oh, I just got home, I just want to relax and do nothing. And they say, hey, why don't you meet me out for dinner and a glass of wine? I'm like, you're speaking my language. I will be right there. You're gonna change your clothes. You don't have to think about it. You just put on a pair of jeans, you have your Lilysilk shirt on, put on a denim jacket and change out your necklace, grab your bag, you're out the door, and you're having that glass of wine before you know it. I'll tell you, I love this blouse with the jean jacket. I mean, it looks good with everything. I mean, you could put on a skirt, you could wear boots, booties, heels, whatever it is, dress slacks, any color, and you're good to go. So I was really happy to be able to change out of the work clothes and into something casual and get out the door quick. I don't want to think about it. I don't want to spend a lot of time in my closet. I was ready to go. So it's one of the things I really like about this blouse is it's very versatile. And it's actually, it does feel like luxury. It is so soft. So if you're, hey guys. Okay, so I had another item to show you. I got undressed, I put it on, and it's too small. I asked for an extra small. The white blouse is a small, and it fit perfect, just perfect. And so normally a lot of times shirts run big on me, but especially one like this. And this is so pretty. Look at the lace. This is their V-neck lace vest. They call it a vest, silk vest. And it's a deep V. So this is the back. I'm not sure if you can see how deep that is. And it's got the lace on it. And then the front, this is the front, yes, because there's some darts here. So it is so pretty on, but it's too small. Surprise, surprise, it's too small for me. So I can't show it to you. I was so disappointed, but that's my fault. I asked for an extra small. Darn it. So this is only $49.99. It's really, really, really cute. Look at this. And again, I just can't convey how silky this is. And it's moisture-wicking fabric, which is nice. I didn't realize that was silk. Maybe they're not all like that, but this is. But very, very nice. I'm impressed with the quality. It is luxury, and I hope you'll give them a try. It's Lilysilk, and I'll put the information below, and there's also a 12% discount if you use my discount code. So give them a try. Thanks for watching.